Justin,
Yeah?
your hat is at a jaunty angle.
I'm not wearing a hat.
Oh, well, take this. It's too heavy for me to carry anymore.
Thanks. Hello, I'm Justin.
And I'm Kyle.
And we are the Mirror Twins. We are huge fans of the G.I. Joe Classified. And Kyle just received in the mail.
Bum, bum, bum.
Now, this is the Crimson Strike Team, the Extensive Enterprises.
That was their code name for their company
Oh, okay.
that they had. So this is the Crimson Strike Team.
So this is the repainted or recolored
With some remolding.
Tomax and Xamot. Weapons are in a new color. Baroness.
With some new stuff.
New head, new hair, and stuff like that. And I've heard it's the new elbows. She's got the double jointed.
I
which the
believe
original
so.
did not. I've got my overly complex knife because I couldn't find my normal one. Very gently cut that there. As of the recording of this video, this just came out.
You're not done yet. Hold on, we're gonna peel it off.
All right. And there's another. Oh, it's bloody.
Yeah. Yep.
What?
It's got bullet holes in it.
What? Look at
that.
it. So they have the pristine version, the dirty. I guess I should compare. Boom. Boom. Okay,
That's pretty
cool. And it looks like a suitcase, or as you would call it, a
Dossier.
dossier.
A secret dossier. Look at those locks, man.
Okay, so magnetic sealed packaging?
I don't know.
Or is that Velcro?
Oh, magnet.
It's magnetic, so you open up. Oh, look at that! Oh, cool!
That is so cool. Look, it looks like a briefcase. It's got the monitor system, the communications,
They're
whatever.
yelling at. Oh, is this when Chuckles took their stuff and they're yelling at him?
Yep, like they want it back. Look how upset they are.
Cool. They do.
Baroness
want it
is
back.
very upset.
She is super upset. She's pulling her hair, literally pulling her hair. We have plans for the bat under there. Wow.
Might have to keep this box.
Yeah. So this is just a. Oh, we got gold.
Yeah, you can put it like that, and they just open up the briefcase, and you're full of gold.
Cobra gold.
Cobra stamped gold.
And then there are our 3 figures. Gorgeous. So we have our 3 little boxes. How did you get this?
This was a PulseCon exclusive, I believe. You ordered directly from Hasbro and Hasbro Pulse.
How do you get these out? I have no fingernails. I can't do it. Can we just take the whole... Yeah! There we go. Who's who? There we go. That's much better. Pro tip. Just take the whole
Just
thing
take the
out.
whole thing out, it comes right out. And
Okay.
then we can cut the tabs on the back.
So it has this.
Put your
Comes
briefcase
off.
on.
Boom. And then the 3 figures. Yes, we're gonna open them. Oh, it has the tab. Will this work? Or should we just pull them? Should we just pop them?
Sometimes you can slide them out.
So they come out like this.
Oh, these guys look so good. He's still smirky. Look at the Cobra logo printed on the back.
So this is exactly the same. I do have the original right here. Oh, the scar is a much more prominent.
it gets like that when he yells at Chuckles.
Same exact figure, just different colors. Very nice. Oh, okay, so it's a little baggy. While Kyle's getting out the Baroness, I'm gonna
He
get
does have double jointed elbows.
Oh, nice! Gold stand and all his weapons. So the 2 daggers and the gun, exactly like the original Xamot, and I assume Tomax as well. Cool thing, except his gun is gold. Why do you want a silencer if your gun is gilded in gold? I mean, I thought you'd want to be seen, right? If you have a golden gun.
Maybe it's just a...
You want to be seen but not heard?
Maybe it's just a muzzle flare reducer.
Yes, yes.
It's not actually a silencer.
There he is in all his twinly glory. I do have the Baroness.
This is the retro Baroness, correct?
I wish they all came with stands. I don't know why they don't do that.
Luxy packaging.
Luxy?
Very luxy.
What is deluxe? Is that what that means?
It's deluxe, yes. Very deluxe packaging.
I can tell this Baroness is because of all the stuff it comes with. Oh, so much stuff. Oh, don't lose those glasses. Oh, and a snake weapon gun thing.
When she came with the motorcycle originally, the first release had this.
Okay, so she's got 2 hairs.
2 glasses, 2 different kinds. Orange tinted rectangular.
The 3 faces there. Very, very cool. You have to take the hair off to put that on, but she's got like the classic round glasses. Oh, classic. Look how good that looks. Oh,
She's
okay.
got the shiny paint.
They don't have slots on the side of the head. That was something this one had.
Is she exactly the same mold?
Yes.
Look at that cobra on the forearms.
Okay, so the arms are different. The arms are completely different.
Hair's brand new.
She has this Kevlar looking thing, and this figure doesn't. It has shoulder pads, which actually impede the classics movement. This one does not have that, which I was happy with this figure, but except for the double jointed. But this is
Even better.
great. Oh my goodness.
Same legs.
She comes with the same 2 guns that the classic did. 2 silencers, or suppressors, whatever you want to call that. These auto Uzi things. 2 ceremonial cobra knives with the little snake head motif on the bottom.
She also has windswept hair.
So it is a little difficult to get the hair on. You gotta kind of hold the glasses because the hair wants to push the glasses off her face. So that's a little annoying, but hair goes on really easily. Very, very cool.
I'm gonna say Hasbro, you done good.
This was how much?
I don't want to say.
25, 25, 25 at the new price that these, why am I counting him? 25, 25, $75 for the new price because they just went up to $25, right? So it should be $75 if you bought them separately. This was a special order only. This will not be in retail stores, correct?
Correct.
Very, very cool. Not too much new stuff. So if you have the old versions of this, there's not a whole lot of new stuff. Mostly you're buying this for the new colors. You do have a much better Baroness.
She comes with a ton of accessories, 2 hair, 2 glasses, 3 heads. Very awesome looking Baroness. So this was with tax, where we live with our tax, it was $96.29.
You're paying for the packaging and the presentation.
Very awesome packaging.
Very,
If
very.
you're a packaging collector, this is amazing.
Yeah. If you got the money, I would say yes, get this. If you're a G.I. Joe Classifieds fan, this is I wouldn't say must-have because it's redone characters, not in a super significant way.
If you want the Crimson Guard.
But if you want the Crimson Guard versions of these guys, get them.
Gotta get it.
Thank you, Kyle. Let me write you that check.
welcome.
You don't want to take Tomax, right? You want me to have all 3.
They have to stay together.
All
Plus,
right.
it's cheaper that way for me.
Ow, my wallet's hurting. Let me go get that for you. Thank you so much. Check out some of our other videos. We've talked about Transformers on this channel. We've talked about G.I. Joe Classifieds.
We love Hasbro. What's your favorite?
Oh, the Baroness.
So now you have 3 different glasses for Baroness.
Yes. If they sold just one of these by themselves, this would be the one I wish they would sell by itself. It's cool to get the twins again. I did not have Tomax. You had Tomax.
Now they're triplets.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. In our canon. It's like,
Tomax,
we're
Xamot.
long lost quadruplets.
And Bucky.
And Bucky, yeah. Oh, they have their names. I didn't even notice that. Okay, never mind. That's over the top now. Now you gotta get this. If you want to watch more stuff from us, click on some of these videos floating around here. We've talked about Hasbro stuff, Classifieds before. Check us out. If you want to, give us a little subscribe. If you wouldn't mind, tickle that subscribe button.
Now get out of here, you crazy kids.
Cobra!
Yo, Joe!